This is an interesting question going on from long back. Okay, even when I'm doing CFNL also, this there as a case study in my CFNL syllabus IDT. So from then the dispute is going on, going on, going on. The matter went to the tribunal. From their tribunal, it went to Supreme Court lower bench. Then it went to the higher bench. Now we got a Supreme Court verdict on the recent Wednesday, nothing but on the 18th December. So I want to give you some clarity regarding this, some throw some light regarding this issue. Little interesting for you. Okay, so let us understand quickly the background regarding it. Okay, the background, sir. So this is pre-GST thing. Okay, even it is having relevance even in the GST era as well. If you go to the pre-GST era, sir, in 2005, the central excise law, which was there then, that got amended. Okay, there it used to be having this HSN HSN, sir, harmonized system of nomenclature. The classification for goods has been given. The naming, the number coding which we given for the goods is called as HSN. Okay, that was a little changed. Then there are two sections, section 3 and section 6. So section 3 consists of animal or vegetable fats and oil, whereas section 6 consists of preparation for use on the hair oil. So the hair related cosmetics and all will come under section 6, whereas the animal or vegetable related fats and oils will come under the section 3. The section 3 is having excise duty rate of 8%, whereas section 6 is having excise duty of 16%, which is higher, almost double. So section 3 8%, section 6 is having 16%. So now in this central excise tax related, I mean in this classification, coconut oil was classified as animal or vegetable fats and oil only, so it was under the group of section 3. So obviously the excise duty rate applicable is 8%. Okay, and classifying coconut oil under section 3, animal or vegetable fats and oil, which is in line with the HSN code which was followed across the world. Okay, but the problem is not that. Okay, the problem is like in 2017, Excise issued a notice to the Madon Agro Industries India Private Limited stating 16% tax rate is applicable. Okay, 2005, this classification has came. So to the coconut oil, this products manufacturing company, then there is a notice issued stating like not 8%, 16% tax rate is applicable to them. Okay, so from there actually the dispute is going on, going on, going on. Okay, so following to the notice, but even the department itself, in June 2019, CBEC, then Central Board of Excise Duty and Customs, issued a circular classifying like coconut oil of less than 200 ml has to be classified as hair oil. So if you look at this parachute coconut oil and all, there will be 200 ml, 1 liter bottles also will be there. So if it is packed in a bottle which is less than 200 ml, then it has to be classified as a, at what rate? 16% tax rate is applicable. The small bottles, the 1 rupee sachet, so all these will come under 16% tax rate. That was the clarification given. Okay, so they went to they issued a notice, then CBSE has been given a clarification. So now they are saying like what? If it was packed in less than 200 ml containers and all, then 16% tax rate is applicable. It will be treated as a hair oil and cosmetics. Okay, but this respondent, I mean this XC is not agreeing with that. So what he went to the tribunal. Okay, then tribunal in 2015, what tribunal said? Not tribunal said like no, just because it was packed in a smaller packets or smaller bottles or containers, you cannot call it as a you cannot call coconut oil as a hair oil. So the packing is not the criteria for it. So tribunal ordered it as like no, the 5% rate is only applicable. So I mean it will be again classified as what? Edible oil only. But with this, commissioner didn't agree. Okay, commissioner got agreed with it. He went to Supreme Court. Okay, then the matter went to Supreme Court, sir. Supreme Court in 2018, the lower bench actually, the Supreme Court in 2018 said like, okay, I mean again it was against to the tribunal order and said like no, based on the packing we could classify it as like, if they were packed in smaller bottles or sachets, we can classify them as like, I mean the purpose can be identified based on the packing. That's what the thought of Supreme Court, and they said like the thing below 200 ml can be classified as hair oil only, others has to be classified as cooking oil. But then again, this person, this Madon Agro Industries India Private Limited, went to Supreme Court. Now the recent decision on Wednesday, Chief Justice of India, Sanjeev Khanna and Justices Sanjay Kumar, R. Mahadevan, held that specifically provided under the in law with international HSN norms cannot be ignored. So initially in 2005, when it is classified as vegetable oil under section 3, so it was followed by the HSN norms which were followed across the world. So we cannot keep them aside and we cannot give a new kind of classification and all. So we should not kept it aside, which was followed internationally. Then they even said like the mere fact that coconut oil used as a cosmetic or preparation by itself would not be sufficient to exclude from the ambit of coconut oil. Just because it is used as even as a hair oil product or cosmetic product, we cannot straight away classify it as hair oil. And even they said like this packing cannot be a, this sizes of packing cannot be a test for classifying it. So coming to the point, sir, the point is now again the conclusion given by Supreme Court is nothing but coconut oil has to be classified as edible oil only, irrespective of the packing. If it is packed in 1 rupee packets or 550 ml, 100 ml, 200 ml, whatever it is, it has to be packed, it has to be considered as what? Cooking oil only, edible oil only. So the GST rate applicable on it is only 5%. Okay. And okay, not the 18%. If it is classified as cosmetics or hair oil, then it would be 18%, sir. But now it is what? 5% only. Hope I have given you clarity regarding this. Okay, you understood, right? Thank you all. Okay, sir, understood. If at all there are any future developments in the coming Finance Act, if any changes has been made by the council regarding this, then we need to update according to it. Then it may change. But as of now, okay, considering the Supreme Court verdict, hey, I mean, coconut oil is not hair oil. It is a edible oil only for the purpose of taxation. Okay, so it doesn't mean the Andhra people or the Telangana people who are, I mean, maybe even in the North India as well, Kerala only, what we know, I mean, those people only will use it as cooking oil. In Andhra and other southern states and northern states will use generally as a hair oil only. So for the purpose of indirect taxes, coconut oil has to be classified as cooking oil only. Okay, thank you all.